Here we are on Ovation of the Seas in Royal Caribbean and room 8320. It's the Royal Loft Suite. And come see a tour with us. All right, walk in and there is a 1-bedroom. It has a pull-out couch, so it's not a technical bedroom, but it is. And it has a nice little TV and setup and storage and all this in here. It does have its own bathroom over here on the side, which is pretty cool because you can see right off this porthole in your shower. It has a big sink and toilet behind me, but I think this is really, really neat. And then come out here, we have these very odd looking chairs, which we were cracking up and laughing because we think they look like balls, but you know, but they're probably comfortable. Big living room. The kids already finding their little spots. This very large deck out here, right on the back of the ship. A lot of seating area. Upstairs there's a little hot tub. We'll show you that in a second. We're in Seaward, Alaska still right now. All right, going back in. We have a big dining room table. And to the upstairs. This is the master bedroom. You can see out, see over into the living room and all this beautiful view with a drop-down TV, super cool. There's this really, really nice dressing area and all this extra storage back here. Safe and tons of storage and a desk area for Dave to work at since he's always working.
And for your makeup.
And yeah, and a little open area for makeup, which I always like. I think that's really great and handy. And double sinks in here. And the little toilets in this little area, the little bidet. And you can walk back out into the bedroom this direction too, or that direction. And then there's this little shower, this beautiful view, and a little tiny hot tub. And I can't even open this door. So we'll figure that later. But a little hot tub here on the side, just a small one. And a little basket chair that they'll hang back up. They just were painting and touching stuff up. So this is the Royal Loft Suite on Ovation of the Seas, and we're pretty excited to have our little trip in here. Should be great.
See you next time!